Today I'm gonna show you the method live. I'm gonna show you how to actually make money with this, and I'm gonna do everything right now in front of you. So let's get right into it. First, you're gonna go to pump.fun and start a new coin. Basically, you're gonna do your research on what's going on today and came up with a creative idea, obviously, or something that is pretty hyped out. So I found like something kind of creative. It goes with like meta mask. Ticker is gonna be meta mask. And basically I have a short description right here. It says it was a cat behind the mask all along. You only see it now because it's meta. Yeah, something short and creative. Alright, I'm not gonna go with any socials because this is like something funny, some meme. It's not like a huge project with potential and stuff like that. So, it's just something creative I think about. I'm gonna go ahead and add this picture right here. And just before you go ahead and launch your token, you gotta go and set your bot. This is the Soul Setter bot. The link is gonna be in the description below. All you gotta do is start the bot, start now, and go ahead. You can set your wait time, and you gotta import your wallet, the wallet that you're using as a developer on pump.fun. So I'm just gonna go ahead and import my wallet. So just like that, I just imported my wallet, as you see, wallet imported, and I'm gonna go ahead and set wait time to 5 seconds, and I'm gonna activate the bot. As you see, bot is activated. You can go ahead and proceed with launching the token. And yeah, this is the coin. I'm gonna go with 2 Sol. I'm gonna go with 1 point, just about 2 Sol, because I'm gonna leave some fees money. And yeah, this is gonna be I usually like advise people to go from 3 Sol to 5 Sol, but you can like try it out with 2 Sol, like no problem at all. And it's basically when you go with 3 to 5, even more, the profit's gonna be more than what you would get from getting with 2 Sol. So yeah, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna go with 2 Sol. And I'm just gonna go ahead and create the token. And just like that, I just created the token. So the thing stopped recording, and it was an hour ago. I came in with 2 Sol, got out with 3.7, almost 4 Sol. That's like a 2x. That's pretty good. And basically, I had the thing recording, but I thought I had it recording, but it wasn't recording. So I just, I'm coming here again to like show you that I came in with 1.98 and got out with 3.7. So just few seconds, like we set the bot, and yeah, few snipers got in. Basically, there was like a lot of transactions, so